Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to have a little look, very inspiring, Voodoo Child, but I'll do my best to have a little bit of flavour of what I've learned over the years, and it still holds true today. Amazing guitarist, the father of electric guitar. Got this intro part which he starts with a chop with a wah, so we get and that's hammering on from the 7th to it's going to go from the 7th to the 9th, so you go, and you're using the wah like a vocal kind of expression, so and then you bend out the 9th, and that's that 5, 5, 7, 7. And then it goes. So that's bending out the 10 on the B. And then it sort of drops to this. And what I've realised is, or I realised as I got more into guitar, that it's actually a rhythm. So we got so it's that rhythm. The thing is with Hendrix is also what I realise is he's not really a lead guitarist, he's a rhythm guitarist, and he just has amazing sense of time, and that's the sort of, in my opinion, the dark secret about Hendrix is he has this incredible kind of understanding of space and time. And you know, by today's standards, there's many people technically are better than him, Guthrie Govan, we could go on, Jim Henson, but he had this understanding of space and time that I have never seen anyone have that. So it is a rhythm-based thing, and he could just essentially always be in time, and he would always know where he was, and that is, to me, what his secret was. So that. I'm going that. I'm bending out the G 2nd fret. So then the E. And that's what is called the Hendrix chord, which is the sharp one. Incredible piece of music that's inspired probably thousands and thousands of guitarists. And I just thought I had to touch it because it's just such an incredible piece of music for a guitarist. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll see you next time.